everybody, it's CraftyRia. I'm here today to show you the Meyocky embroidery kit. This is available on Amazon. The company sent me this kit so I could show it to you. It is really cool. It says it's beginner to expert, and it has all of the steps you need so you can learn how to do embroidery. So inside the kit, it comes with an embroidery hoop, and it is actually a wooden embroidery hoop. Comes with a whole bunch of needles. Comes with a sewing kit, which has a pair of scissors. It has 2 needle threaders and a seam ripper or stitch puller. It comes with a whole bunch of embroidery floss, which is awesome. It comes with written instructions. And it also comes with your canvases. This is your finished product. This is number 1. And it teaches you how to do the different stitches. It has places for that. And then some fruit in the middle where you can practice those stitches. Then this is, I'll say it's lesson number 2. It has more stitches. And then some cactuses or cacti in the middle and flowers. So you could practice those stitches. Then this is lesson number 3, all these stitches to practice, and then some flowers. And then this is your final one, which is your finished product using all of the stitches that you've learned. There are complete videos online. I checked them out. They are of very good quality. They explain the stitches really well. And you start by putting this on your embroidery hoop. It doesn't have to be lined up perfect. But you do want to make sure it is pulled taut in your embroidery hoop so you have a firm surface to work on. And then you go ahead and you start with, like, number 1 is your outline stitch, number 2 is the back stitch, and so on, number 3, 4, 5, and all of the steps. And then the video even shows you how to fill in the fruit and the sections on the inside. If you prefer written instructions, they are here, and they show you all of the stitches here and exactly how to do each one. They're all marked, and like I said, all the instructions are here. So it is very self-explanatory. It's great if you're trying to learn embroidery, or if you haven't done embroidery in years, or if you don't even know some of these fancy stitches. Great kit to work with, to practice on. And that's what these are for practicing. And then your last one would be your finished product that you can hang on the wall. They have several different kits to choose from, and everything seems to be of really nice quality. I highly recommend this kit, especially if you want to learn how to do embroidery. This is the box Meyocky embroidery kit. There are videos, there's a QR code that you can scan, and it will take you right to the video instructions. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Meyocky embroidery kit. If you like what you see here on my channel, please do give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Everything I feature in my videos will be linked in the description box below, so please go check it out. It really does help out my channel. I do have a Facebook group, Create with CraftyRia. If you would like to connect with some of our fellow crafters, it's a great community. Head on over there. I'd really like to see you over there. If you do get this and you make it, please do link some pictures. I can't wait to see it. Thank you again for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.